Far
If it were
Rockaway.
just me, we could probably speed up, but we should take it slow.
That's our snow truck. Plow. And this video is for some of my friends and family who never experienced snow before. So I know you guys will be watching this video because you always want to know what snow is like. So I come to you live with this. Snow in New York City. And this will follow with some rain because the temperature is going to rise a little bit, and then we're going to have a rapid drop of temperature which is going to make the rain freeze, and that's going to be deadly. If your gate is open, leave it open. And this is our snow plow. This is how we do it. If your gate is open, leave it open like I said.